First one is Boolean data type. Okay, the Boolean data type values are true or false. Boolean value, that is a true or false. You have tried all those are small letters. True or false are the Boolean data type. Okay. Next one is byte and short. Okay, int, long. These are the integer type of data types. The byte occupies 1 byte. The short data type occupies 2 bytes of memory. The int occupies 4 bytes. Clear? So likewise, each and every data type we have to write the size of each and every one. Okay, and as like the long occupies 8 bytes. Okay, so depend upon the length of 1 byte means 8 bits. Okay, so let's see the size of this 1 byte means. Okay, 1 byte means 8 bits. Its size is minus, okay, 2 power minus 2 power 8 2 plus 2 power 8 9, this is for 7. It means minus, this is the size of which one? This is the size of byte data type. Okay, so minus 2 power 8 2 plus 2 power 8 minus 1. Okay, as like short, integer, long, and also having some float data type. Okay, again char data type. Clear? Double data type. Okay, so these are all called as Boolean data types in Java programming. These are all called as Boolean data types, primitive data types in Java programming. Okay, the char occupies 1 byte. Okay, so the byte is also occupies 1 byte, short occupies 2 bytes, 4 bytes, 8 bytes. Okay, so this is here I'm giving the size of each and everything. Boolean 1 bit, char 2 bytes, byte 1 byte, 2, 4, 8. Float occupies 4 bytes, double occupies 8 bytes. That is the default size of each and every data type. Okay, so now that means, for example, if you can take integer data type. Okay, so the size of integer data type is more compared to the short. That is less size, more size compared to byte. So depend upon the how much length of value we have to assigning a particular variable. Based upon that value, we have to choose the particular data type. Okay, so that is different data types. Different data types in Java programming. Those are all called as primitive data types. Okay, and the non-primitive data types are what is called as arrays. Okay, a class. These are all called as what is called strings. These are all called as non-primitive data types. Called as non-primitive data types. Okay. Next, that's it. Okay. So these are some of the examples for Boolean. Example is Boolean 1 equal false, byte a equals some 10, short s equals some 10,000, int a, long a. Okay. So in general, the long value can be written with some capital L. Okay. So the float value we have written as 234.5 f. Okay. So f represents this value is the float value. Okay. So double value we cannot specify anything. That means if you are writing Like this, it is a double type. For example, if you write 234.5 is also accepted. It is accepted. It's not required in the F, but generally we have taken as F here. Okay, the double is double D1 equal to 12.3. This is the char. Char equal to the char value we have assigned within the single quote. So single quote A, that is a character. Is a character. These are some of the examples of which one? Boolean type, byte type, short, int, long, float, and double. Clear? So now, next one more important concept is type conversion. Clear? Oh, if you need the program for this one, okay, just I can execute and I will show you. You have to, okay, copy all those things. You have to file new thing. Okay, the right class. The class name is, for example, data types. Okay, then open the braces. Declaring all those things. Okay, then we have to write system dot out dot print ln. Then what is the first one? Write as some one. Okay, likewise you have to write system dot out dot print ln. Okay, what second variable? What's called as some a. Clear? Or system dot out dot print ln. You have to write start is some s. Yes, yes, and so on. We have write next what? Public static void main string args. Okay, so open the braces. Okay, so what you have to maintain is class variables. Okay, so what you do is I can print all those things in the main function. Okay, don't confuse. Okay, so if you can maintain the class variables, those class variables or instance variables, we must need to access the object. Okay, still we are not covered in objects. That's it. I can written here. Okay, so like this, having all those things. Okay, up to we have written like this up to this only. Okay, so one yes, a is there. Okay, then system of printel close the main, then close the class. Then we have to save this program as how to save file, save as the class name is Exdata. Okay, the dot Java here it has in the double quote. Okay, then it has save. Clear? Then we have to compile. So Java is space. So what is our class name? Exdata. Either it is or this integer character slash age boolean. Small b. Okay. Again, you have right. Wow. Class name public static void main string or this boolean one write a system.println. One is not there.
ఇంకా డబ్బులు అమలు చేస్తున్నాడు.
Clear? So why it can displace in unnecessary character space? I tried to copy the code from the paint to notepad. Okay, that's why it can reduce that some unnecessary characters. Okay, that's why I can remove all those things. It is int a, then a equal 10 system.println a. Okay, so if you can try to compile like this, then you have to run one. Okay, so Java space data, the value is some 10. Okay, this is that type. Similar way, you have to write some, for example, boolean. Some b equals to write some 1 like this. Okay, so again, Control C, Control V. I'll write the b here. Okay, again compile and say output is coming. Okay, this simple demonstration about the different data types in Java.